Hi everyone, this is Mel Micah, and for this lesson, I will show you how to update your projects in your hub pages. But first, let me just show you how it's gonna look like in your hub page. So I'm here at my Manila hub page, and you will see I put here challenges, and the audience can also see what has been the projects that we're developing in Manila hub page. So the advantage of using this feature or showing your projects in your hub page is the audience will know what has been your projects in the past and how they're gonna get involved. And also they will know what are the different projects there are that meets their skill sets or their passion. So that's one of the benefits of showing the project features in your hub page. Now it's so easy how to do it. You just simply go to the the project page, and when you click the project, there will be a submit a project. And by the way, don't worry, I already put this in your hub page. There's a button there that says submit a project. So when you go to submit a project, you click this picture, submit a project, and this will lead you here. So when doing your project details, make sure that you are putting a lot information that are helpful to your audience or to your team, because your team's going to access this and some of the visitors in your hub page. So put the title, and of course what's the project is about or the content, and you also have to choose what is it a hack project, yes or no. And if it's a hack project, just put here your city. So it's gonna be a scroll down and then look for your city. And when doing a project, of course, you have a vision of what it's going to be in the next few months, in a few years. So make sure you already put you have your own project vision. And also here you can set what's this project is about. Is it a technology project, or is it a website, social media, games, or apps, or others? So the audience will know, or your participants or members will know what's this kind of project is. And of course, you have also to give them a picture what's the outcome. It's going to be a community. Is it about creating culture, or is it a mission or humanitarian aid, or others, if you cannot see here what's relevant about your project. So again, the goal here is giving or communicating clearly to your audience, to your participant, what's the project's really about. And if you have like research references that you can also include, that's gonna be good. It's a good like a background for a background study for your projects, and of course an audience. Who is the audience for, or for what is produced? So who's going to benefit, or who's the target user, or the end user? If it's an app, so who's the end user of your project? And this one is very important because the audience will see your project in your hub page, and they will ask, what's the skill required for them to participate in that project. So make sure you have to put relevant skills requested or skills required in that project in this part. And of course, you have to put your name here and their contact email so they can reach out to you. And if there's an organization with that project, you can also select here. There we already pre-selected some partner organization here, but you can also include your own at the other partners. And of course, you have to put your GitHub repository, especially if it's a tech-focused project. And if you have a Slack channel, you have a link there. You can put it here at the real-time communication, or do you have a Viber community, an FB group about the project. You can also put the URL here. And if you're using any project management app like Basecamp, you can also invite them to join there. And just to also, since we're posting this online in your hub page, it's also good to see, and it's nice in terms of visual look, that your project have a project image or like a picture that represent your project. And if your project has been ongoing, or there's some been developments or highlights, you can also put a project update. So you can just share it's already been in development, or what stage is it right now. So the audience will know that they're not like joining a scratch project, but it's already been in progress. So make sure if this project has been ongoing, you should put some updates there. And click submit a project. Once you click submit a project, Now your project will appear on our project page. For example, here, like a Bible chatbot, it will appear there. And also, now it's going to be available on your hub page by using the Elementor. So let me show to you how are you going to pull the project into your hub page, because it's not automatically is going to be featured in your hub page. You have to make sure that you're going to use a short code to pull the project into your hub page. So example here in Manila, I put the some of the past projects in our hackathon here. So what is the short code? Uh, there's a two-way you can create your own. You just use this short code here. This is the short code that you can put in your hub page. It will automatically pull the projects for your location or for your city. For our hub page, we just limit it to 5 projects to show. So that's one way, is you have to put this short code. Also, if you're going to click in the element or in the global here, I already, I know, sorry. You have to go back, click the text, or you have to search for short code. There you go. And you have to just drag it in this, on your screen here. And then again, you have to put the short code for that project, or the short code for Indigitous projects of this one, like this one. So it will pull the project here. So this how it's gonna look like once you put that in your hub page. It will appear now on your hub page. They will look like this. So again, it will automatically pull based on the location when you use that short code. And hopefully, once your audience visits your hub page, they will see a complete information, your vision, your invitation, what's your upcoming event, what are the challenges you're going to solve in your hack, and of course, what has been the projects that you've been developing there in your city. So yeah, enjoy, and please reach out to me if you have more questions how to feature, update, or edit a project in your city. Thanks.